In this video, I'll show you how I've repaired the iMac with LED backlight problem. Although this is a somewhat common problem, I don't think there is any video covering 27-inch iMac LED problem providing component details. Hope this helps to fix your problem. Please turn on the subtitle of your choice. There are two LED strips on the bottom of iMac that shines the light onto the display panel. Most of the time, left side fails. And this is how the screen looks like when the LED fails. There could be two likely reasons. One is that your actual LED strip failed. The other is, in the case of this video, the connection to the LED strip failed. First, you need to open the iMac. Go to the link provided to see how to open your iMac. Rest your panel on the desk and start removing aluminum tape off the screen. Now break the white plastic tabs off to get to the connector. You can see that the connector comes freely off the board once tabs are removed. Whether it is from factory poor soldering or external pressure applied by the glass, the solder joint has failed. This is the reason why half the screen is not lit. Once you're at this stage, there are two options you can take. If you're just repairing the joint, you can do this in situ using thin wires. It is a little pain as it's hard to work in the restricted gap, but I tried this method and worked for me. And it occurred to me that nobody had opened the panel on YouTube. It made me curious, what LED strip is hidden behind the panel should it fail in the future. So just for the sake of finding out the part number, I decided to open the whole panel. Removing the panel is time-consuming and finicky. There are tons of tapes and screws and brackets that need to be removed. But as long as you venture patiently, it's not too difficult. Here is the panel removed. And here is the LED strip in view. I guessed iMac 27-inch might use the same LED strip as that of 27-inch cinema display, and it turned out to be the same. Young Lighting was the original manufacturer, and you can buy these on AliExpress for like $15. LGT2795 is the part number. Here is a pinout of LED strip. You can apply voltage in pairs to see if corresponding LED light up. This will ensure you have all the wires soldered correctly to the strip before pairing back to the panel. Now solder it with wires on the panel and wrap it all up. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.